Have you ever found yourself staring at your crypto portfolio on Kraken, ready to cash out some profits or move funds to another wallet, only to pause, a cold sweat beating on your brow as you wonder, what are these withdrawal fees going to cost me? You're not alone. In the fast-paced, often complex world of cryptocurrency, fees can feel like a hidden labyrinth, a maze designed to trip up even the most seasoned traders. They can eat into your hard-earned gains, turn a seemingly profitable transaction into a negligible one, and generally add a layer of anxiety to what should be a straightforward process. Especially when it comes to withdrawing your funds from an exchange like Kraken, understanding the fee structure is paramount. Kraken, as one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges in the market, offers a robust platform for buying, selling, and trading a vast array of digital assets. Millions of users worldwide rely on Kraken for its security, liquidity, and diverse offerings. But like any financial platform, it has its own set of fees, and withdrawal fees are a crucial part of that equation. Neglecting to understand them can lead to unpleasant surprises. Imagine planning to withdraw $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, only to find that network fees and Kraken's own charges significantly reduce the amount that actually lands in your personal wallet. It's frustrating, to say the least. This isn't just about saving a few dollars, it's about financial literacy in the crypto space. It's about empowering you to make informed decisions, optimize your transactions, and ultimately, get the most out of your cryptocurrency holdings. Whether you're a casual investor making your first withdrawal or a high-volume trader moving significant amounts of capital, knowing the ins and outs of Kraken's withdrawal fees is essential for smart money management. So, why are these fees so important to understand? Well, for starters, they're not always static. They can fluctuate based on various factors, including the specific cryptocurrency you're withdrawing, the network congestion at the time of your transaction, and even the fiat currency you're using. What might be a negligible fee today could be a noticeable chunk tomorrow. This dynamic nature means that simply checking a fee schedule once isn't enough. You need to grasp the underlying mechanisms that drive these costs. Furthermore, withdrawal fees can impact your overall investment strategy. If you're frequently moving small amounts of crypto, high withdrawal fees can quickly erode your capital. Conversely, if you're planning a large withdrawal, a seemingly small percentage fee can translate into a substantial sum. Understanding these nuances allows you to plan your withdrawals strategically, perhaps consolidating smaller amounts into a single, larger transaction when feasible, or choosing a less congested network during peak times. Beyond the immediate financial impact, grasping Kraken's withdrawal fees also builds trust and confidence in your interactions with the platform. When you understand why a fee is being charged, how it's calculated, and what options you have to minimize it, you feel more in control. This transparency is key to navigating the often opaque world of digital assets. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to pull back the curtain on Kraken's withdrawal fees. We'll delve into the different types of fees you might encounter, explain the factors that influence them, and walk you through practical strategies to minimize your costs. We'll cover everything from cryptocurrency withdrawal fees to fiat currency withdrawal fees, discuss network congestion, and even touch upon account verification levels and their impact on your withdrawal experience. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to withdraw your funds from Kraken with confidence, knowing exactly what to expect and how to optimize for the best possible outcome. Let's start by clarifying a fundamental concept. Not all fees are created equal, especially when it comes to withdrawals. There are broadly two categories of withdrawal fees you'll encounter on Kraken: cryptocurrency withdrawal fees and fiat currency withdrawal fees. Each has its own characteristics, complexities, and factors influencing its cost. Cryptocurrency withdrawal fees, the blockchain's toll booth. When you withdraw cryptocurrency from Kraken, you're essentially initiating a transaction on a blockchain network. This transaction needs to be validated and processed by miners or validators on that network. And just like paying a toll on a highway, there's a fee associated with this process. This is often referred to as the network fee or miner fee. Kraken, as an exchange, doesn't pocket this entire fee. A significant portion, if not all, of the cryptocurrency withdrawal fee you pay goes directly to the blockchain network to compensate the miners or validators for their work. This is crucial to understand because it explains why these fees can fluctuate so wildly. Imagine a highway. During rush hour, when everyone is trying to get somewhere quickly, the tolls might go up because there's high demand for limited road space. Similarly, on a blockchain, when there's a high volume of transactions, network congestion increases, and the competition to get transactions processed quickly intensifies. This drives up the network fees. Conversely, during off-peak hours, when there's less activity, fees tend to be lower. Kraken, to ensure your withdrawal is processed efficiently and in a timely manner, often sets its withdrawal fees for cryptocurrencies to cover these fluctuating network costs. They want to avoid a situation where your withdrawal gets stuck in a pending state for hours or even days because the fee wasn't high enough to incentivize miners to pick it up. So, while Kraken doesn't profit directly from the network fee, they do pass it on to you to facilitate the transaction. The specific fee for each cryptocurrency varies significantly. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, for instance, often have higher network fees due to their popularity and the demand for block space on their respective blockchains. Smaller, less congested networks might have significantly lower fees. Kraken provides a detailed list of these fees on their support pages, which is regularly updated. It's always a good idea to check the current fees for the specific cryptocurrency you plan to withdraw before initiating the transaction. Beyond the fluctuating network fees, Kraken also has a minimum withdrawal amount for each cryptocurrency. This minimum is usually set to ensure that the withdrawal is economically viable, considering the network fees. Attempting to withdraw less than the minimum will not be permitted. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.